Hello, welcome and welcome back to MP News. This is Aditi Mishra welcomes you in our special show दिल चाहता है। इंदौर सिर्फ ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ खाने पीने की चीज़ों के लिए ही और मस्ती करने के लिए फेमस है। इंदौर is also famous for its historical value. Indore has its amazing history. There are some places which belongs to history and they are so amazing. काफ़ी सारे पैलेसेस भी हैं इंदौर में and one of the most famous palace which is situated in Indore is Rajwada Palace. Rajwada Palace is a historical palace which is situated in Indore city. It is too famous, it is quite big and it is quite amazing. It was built by होल्कर्स ऑफ मुगल एम्पायर्स अबाउट 2 centuries ago. लगभग 2 centuries के पहले ये बनाया गया था and this 7-storied structure is located near the Chhatris and now today serve as a fine example of royal grandeur and amazing architectural skills of that time. This particular structure comprises 2 parts. The first part which is situated in the heart of the city in Rajwada and the second part is standing in the old part of the town. Rajwada Palace exhibits a blend of Maratha style. The palatial structure is sure to leave you spellbound. You are going to fall in love with that all architectural skills. However, it has a fusion of different architectural skills. The palace has Mughal, Maratha and French style architectural skills. It included itself. It has lots of fusions. वैसे तो अगर हम बात करें अगर इस पैलेस की तो पैलेस में काफ़ी सारे इसके स्पेशल फीचर्स हैं बट इफ़ वी गो फॉर द मोस्ट फेमस फीचर्स ऑफ दिस पैलेस इज़ कि इफ़ यू लुक एट दिस पैलेस फ्रॉम द साउदर्न साइड इट विल लुक लाइक अ मॉन्यूमेंट एंड इफ़ यू लुक एट दिस पैलेस फ्रॉम द ईस्टर्न साइड इट विल लुक लाइक अ यूरोपियन. And specifically, the Darban and the throne of Rani Ahilya was designed in French style. French style में डिज़ाइन किया गया था. So this particular palace include the all fusion in itself. एक ही पैलेस में ये तीनों डिज़ाइंस हैं, ये तीनों आर्किटेक्चरल स्किल्स हैं and it is so amazing. It is so amazing to fall in love and if a person who loves to visit such sort of historical places, he or she is going to love this place. If we talk about the entrance of this palace, then the entrance of this palace has a quite huge gate which is made up of wood having iron stud over it. Once you entered in the palace, then entrance leads you to a beautiful courtyard with its Maratha style ornamentation at windows, corridors and balconies. Really, you are going to wish to sit over there for some time just quietly. अगर हम बात करें इस पैलेस के नीचे के 3 फ्लोर्स की तो जो नीचे के 3 फ्लोर्स हैं इस पैलेस के दे आर मेड अप ऑफ स्टोन. तो वहीं जो 3 ऊपर के फ्लोर्स हैं दे आर मेड अप ऑफ वुड, लकड़ी के बने हुए हैं. दिस ब्यूटिफुल कोर्टयार्ड इज सराउंडेड बाय सेवरल गैलरी रूम्स. काफ़ी सारे गैलरी रूम्स भी हैं इस ब्यूटिफुल कोर्टयार्ड के आसपास. एंड दिस पैलेस ऑल्सो कंसिस्ट अ गणेशा हॉल विच वॉज यूज्ड एट दैट टाइम एज अ वेन्यू फॉर इम्पॉर्टेंट इवेंट्स, रिलीजियस फंक्शंस. उस समय इस गणेशा हॉल में ऑर्गेनाइज कराए जाते थे एंड नाउ दिस पर्टिकुलर गणेशा हॉल इज यूज्ड टू ऑर्गेनाइज और हेल्ड some classical music concert, art exhibition and such a sort of many functions. Though the huge palace has been burnt for the 3 times in the history, लगभग 3 बार ये पैलेस जो है हिस्ट्री में जल चुका है एंड नाउ दिस पैलेस इज रेनोवेटिंग टू ब्रिंगिंग ऑल द एलिगेंस एंड ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस पैलेस बैक. Government is trying their best to do reconstruction with same perfection which had in the past. Same material यूज़ किए जा रहे हैं ताकि जो खूबसूरती इस पैलेस की उस वक्त थी वो इस वक्त भी बरकरार रहे, उसे कंटिन्यू रखा जा सके. इसके अलावा दिस पैलेस फेसेस अ ब्यूटिफुल गार्डन with fountains and having artificial waterfall and amazing sculptures. You are really going to love the sculpture of this beautiful palace. Uh, if tourists come over here to visit this palace, they can also enjoy light and sound show which are held in the evening in the palace. They can also do shopping from the streets from local market of Indore, which is just next to the palace, and they can also enjoy the street food from Sarafa Bazaar, because as Sarafa Bazaar is open till late night, so they can also enjoy the light and sound show, and after that they can enjoy the Sarafa Market's street food. If continuously we are going to talk about this palace beauty, it is not going to be end so soon, but we have to end our episode over here. So this is today for this is it for the today's episode. I will see you soon.
Da 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 da